Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Discord on your Steam Deck, and this is easy. So the first thing you want to do if you're in the game mode is go to power and switch over to desktop mode. Then if it's your first time here, we want to go down to the bottom left and go to this little folder. This is called Discover. Open this up. This is where we can get all our applications on our Steam Deck. Then go to the upper left and go to search and just type in Discord. Press enter. Then here we have the application. Then also we have Desktop right here. It's a snappier Discord app with Vitacord. So you have these 2 or 3 different options right here. I have this on my computer too. It works nice. And then let's go to Discord right here and we can click it. Then install in the top right. Once you have installed, let's go to launch. And you can open it up in the desktop mode and the game mode. So I'll show you how to add it to Discord game mode. So I believe I already have this open. If it's not going to launch, is this it? I can't really see. But let's go ahead and open this up. Here's Discord. It's working. Looks good. You can do everything that you do on your computer. Now we want to add this to Steam. So let's go on over to Steam. Click on the Steam icon. And we can add a non-Steam game in the bottom left. Go here. Add non-Steam game. And then find the Discord application. So I believe I already have it added. So it's not going to show up under this list. So just find Discord under here, click it, and then go to add non-Steam game. So let me do it with Lutris here. And you'd probably want to go ahead and get that if you don't know what it is. That allows you to play like GOG games, I think like Ubisoft games, Epic games. So let's go to add non-Steam games. Now you can switch on over to the game mode, and you should be able to launch this from game mode. So it's going to take like 10 to 15 seconds to kick on over, and then just go to your library and then go to non-Steam games and you should be able to find it. So right now it just says no signal, and it's very easy. It'll just pop up right away and it's launching into game mode, and then you should be good to go. All right, so now we're in game mode here. What we want to do is just go on down to Steam. Then we can go on over to our library. Go to non-Steam games on the top. Here's Discord. Let's click it. Go to play. And it's going to launch this. And here it is. Opening it up. And Discord. Then we can go back to the game. Whatever we're trying to play, just press the Steam button. Here it is. And then we can go back to home. So we can have this opened up and then be playing our games at the same time. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.